To manage your organization's course catalog, navigate to the Admin Portal sidebar, click Learning, and select Courses. The main dashboard is divided into two tabs: Organization Courses, which houses the custom training you've built, and TechClass courses. The TechClass Courses tab acts as a premium content marketplace. Here you can browse and enable expert-built, ready-to-use courses from the global TechClass training library. To build a new training module from scratch, head back to Organization Courses and click the blue New Course button. First, choose your course type. We'll select Structured Course, which is best for comprehensive learning paths. Next, fill in the foundational metadata. Enter your course name. Group it under a category like Cybersecurity. Specify the language and add a brief description. Click Create Course to generate the shell. This opens your dedicated course management dashboard. Let's switch to an existing published course to see this in action. The Overview tab gives you an instant pulse on the course's performance, displaying top metric cards for active and completed enrollments, associated learning paths, and the number of instructors. It also features visual charts tracking enrollment status and trends, progress distribution, and learner ratings. The Content tab is where you outline your course syllabus. Because this is a structured course, the curriculum is neatly organized into nested chapters and manageable sections. Next is the Enrollments tab, which acts as a localized ledger tracking exactly who is taking the course and their progress. To manually enroll an employee, click the Add Learner button, search for the user and click Enroll. The course will instantly appear on their dashboard. Administrators don't have to manage everything alone. In the Instructors tab, you can assign subject matter experts. Click Add Instructor, select a user, and grant highly granular permissions, such as the ability to manage content or handle enrollments. You can also edit permissions for existing instructors or completely remove them from the course if needed. The Learning Paths tab displays any multi-course paths that currently include this specific course. Meanwhile, the Feedback tab aggregates post-course star ratings and reviews, allowing you to easily measure course quality. Before a course goes live, navigate to the Settings tab. Here you can polish its presentation by updating details, adding a cover image, or uploading a brochure. Once ready, you can change the course status from draft to published. Finally, if a course ever needs to be permanently purged, scroll down to the danger zone and click Delete Course. Just remember, this action cannot be undone.